Hi, my name is Aarav Nichani. I'm a fourth year management and finance student at the University of Toronto Scarborough campus. I'm enrolled in the co-op program, which is essentially the main advantage of being enrolled at the Scarborough campus, which allows you the opportunity to work and study every alternate term. With the opportunity to do that, you get exposure to different industries and different type of workplaces, and try to be able to identify what you really like and what you want to do full time or what you want to do in the future. And it's a great opportunity in terms of networking as well to get your full time employment after you graduate. So I guess it's an added advantage versus somebody who doesn't have a co-op program, because it allows you that extra experience which sort of shows your pedigree in terms of an employer's perspective when you're sort of graduating, and it adds more to your resume. It also allows you to sort of apply what you're studying, and to sort of put practice to theory, which is a great opportunity with the co-op program. So to anybody looking to enroll at U of T, or anyone looking to enroll across any university that offers a co-op program, I highly encourage it, because it's something that is invaluable in terms of the kind of experience and exposure you get apart from the networking opportunities, which are immense. So thoroughly recommend it, and yeah, follow Career Z for more.